This is the best, simple, easy to understand, step-by-step TikTok ads tutorial on how to create your TikTok ads manager account. So if you're interested in creating your TikTok ads manager account that you can use to run your TikTok ads, I don't mean the promote button you use on the TikTok app. I mean the TikTok ads manager account and the business center, how you can create them and set them up, get them ready to run your TikTok ads. That is what I will show you in this video step by step without gatekeeping any information. At the end of this video, you'll be able to create and set up your TikTok ads manager account, your TikTok business center, the payment method, link your TikTok account to your TikTok ads manager account, and get everything ready to launch your first TikTok ads. Without wasting time, let's dive in. Open your Google Chrome browser and type ads.tiktok.com, then enter. It will open up like this. Just scroll down. You are going to see this get started button right here. You will also see it at the top right hand side. You can click on any of them. When you click on get started, it will open up like this. You will see email right here. Go ahead and input your email. After inputting your email, you are going to see password here. Take note, your password must be between 6 to 20 characters and it must involve letters, numbers, and special characters. By special characters, I'm talking about dot, at, hashtag, $, you know all those special characters, okay? After inputting your password, check this box. By clicking here, you agree to the TikTok commercial terms of service. After checking this box, go ahead and click on this sign up button below. Then this captcha will pop up. Just select two of the same shape, like this one and this one have the same shape. Select it and click on confirm. TikTok is going to send a verification code to that particular email address you use for the registration. So go to your email, you will see that code and input that code here. I will enter the code now, B4JBG3. After entering the code, it will open like this. It is going to give you where you will fill the information to create your ads manager account. The first thing to fill here is your business name. So go ahead and input your business name there. Then click here. Website URL is optional here. Then click here and select your industry. You may not see the exact industry, but you can select the most related industry here. Then go ahead and input your phone number here. After inputting your phone number, you will see customize your account more. Click on it. Then you will see the region. In case you're not in the right region you want to choose, click on this drop down button and select the particular region you want to select. Then check your currency. That is what you'll be paying with. I'm in Nigeria, so I'll be paying with Naira. So I'm selecting Nigerian Naira. Then time zone, I'm using West African time zone because I'm in Nigeria. The next thing, check this box. By clicking here, you agree to TikTok commercial terms of service. After checking the box, click on this continue button. It is processing. It is now preparing your TikTok ad account. Now it has taken you to the TikTok ads manager. You will see some of this pop up like this introductory search. Just click on got it and it will disappear. Then you need to review and accept their anti-discrimination ad policy. Just scroll down. You see this accept button right here. Click on accept to accept their policy. After that, you need to create your business center. To create your TikTok business center, hover your mouse on this menu bar. You see these three lines here. Just hover your mouse there and it will come up like this. You will see the tools bar. Go ahead and click on this business center. When you click on the business center, it will open like this. There is no business center yet, so they will want you to create a business center. Okay, just wait for it. It will load like this. It's just loading. It will say welcome to TikTok for business. Now we are going to be selecting the business type. Just select I am an advertiser. This agency is for agency account, so we are using advertiser account. Scroll down, then you can see it here for company website. If you don't have a company website, you can just use your WhatsApp link. To generate your WhatsApp link with your phone number, just open a new tab here. Then we can use just type WhatsApp link generator, search, and it will open like this. Click on this first one, this WA link. So just scroll down to where this phone number is. Just click on this country code, scroll to select your country code. Mine is Nigeria, so I'll select Nigeria here. Go ahead and input your phone number. After inputting your phone number here, just scroll down and click on generate my WA link. When you click on generate my WA link, it will give you your link like this. Just scroll down, you see this copy link button. Click on copy link, okay? Then take it over here and paste it as your website link. After that, if you have your normal company website link, just go ahead and use it, okay? Then for country and region, select your country, okay? I'm in Nigeria, so I'm selecting Nigeria here. For company name, go ahead and input your company name here. Then after that, select industry. This particular account I'm creating is in the beauty care industry. For care, here, I'm looking at body care and hygiene. Then after selecting your industry, you are going to see contact name here. You can see use the name of your company for the contact name. Then for phone number, input your phone number here. For contact email, that email you use in creating your Ads Manager account will be feed in here automatically. Then scroll down for business center information. You will see almost similar information you filled earlier. Just verify time zone, currency, Nigerian naira. Then advertiser account info. This is your ad account info. It's using the same business name. The time zone is Lagos. Then scroll down. You are going to see by clicking here, you agree to join the beta tester. Just check that box. After checking the box, down below, you will see this confirm button here. Click on confirm. It is creating the business center. The next thing you will see this two-step verification. We are not ready for verification yet. So just click on not now. And with that, this is your TikTok business center. It will load up like this. You can see how it is. You see this survey, this organic survey. Just close it. Click on this close button to close that for now. Then scroll down. Scroll down. You can now see how your business center is. Now, there is something you need to do. Over your mouse on this left-hand side, you are going to see Ads Manager. Click on this Ads Manager. When you click on Ads Manager, it will open like this. Then you will see the business center here and the Ads Manager here. Open this business center. Click on it. Then scroll down. Scroll down. At the left-hand side here, you see accounts. Click on this account. Now, you need to check the ad account that is linked to this particular business center, because most times the first ad account you created is not going to be linked to the business center. You understand now? Yes, sir. So you need to check. You can see this particular one. Look at this one. Gain weight with IV. This is the particular ad account. You see advertiser accounts here. That's the same thing with ad account. So this is the particular ad account that is linked to this business center. So we are going to make this ad account visible because right now it is hidden. So just drag this ruler to the right hand side like this. You will see members here. There is no member, and that is why it is not visible. So click on this member that is showing 0. When you click on it, it will open like this. Now you need to assign new member. Click on assign new member. Then it will open up like this. Click on this user. Just check this box for the user. Then assign admin role. This is account permissions. Click on admin. Assign this permission. Then scroll down. You see this confirm button down below. Click on confirm. And they will send a code to your email. Go to your email, open it, and input that code here. After inputting the code, click on this next button. And with that, you will see this user has been assigned as a member here. Okay. So just click here to close it. If you check over here, you see that the members now has one member. Now we are going to check this particular ad account right now. Just come over here, over your mouse on this menu bar, click on Ads Manager. You can now see that the Ads Manager have become 2. Now look at this business center name. For example, this one is Gain Weight with IV. This one is Gain Weight with IV. You will see that this business center has the same name with this particular Ads Manager. That means it is this one that is connected to this business center. That's why you're seeing that it is one ad account, one user, and that is this particular one. This one is not connected to this business center. So if you fund this business center, you can use the money here to run ad inside this ad account, but it will not work for this one. For you not to confuse yourself, just check the Ads Manager that has the same name with the business center and pin it here. You are going to see this pin account. Just click on pin, and this one will always be the first one here. So with that, you know that the first one is the one you are working with. I hope you understand. Yes, sir. Now, that's not all. The next thing you need to do is to link your TikTok account that you want to run that advert on to the TikTok Ads Manager account that you just created. That way, you'll be able to run these TikTok ads on your TikTok page, gain visibility, gain engagement on your posts, get leads, and convert those leads to buyers. Before we proceed to that, just like this video. Click on the like button down below. Have you done that now? All right, let's continue. Click on Business Center right here. It will open up like this. Then just hover your mouse at the left-hand side here. You will see user with this plenty number. Click on this user with the plenty number. It will open up like this. Then go ahead and click on user settings. Right here, you will see TikTok account. Then you will see link TikTok account here. Click on link TikTok account. They will ask you to log in your TikTok account. So you can log in with your phone number, username, or you log in with QR code. Now you will see the TikTok account that is to be linked to your TikTok Ads Manager account. Okay. If this is not the account you want to link, just click on switch account and log in the particular TikTok account you want to be linked to your TikTok Ads Manager account. Scroll down. And you will see this continue button down below. Click on continue. Now, if you refresh your account, you will see that your TikTok account has been linked to it right here. You see 𝗟𝗏 Digital's account is linked to it. Now that you have linked your TikTok Ads Manager account to your TikTok page, The next thing you need to do is to set your payment method. That is how you want to be paying for your TikTok ads. Now, let me show you how to set your TikTok ads account payment method. When you open your business center like this, click on business center here. It will open like this, okay? Then scroll down. At this left-hand side, scroll down. You are going to see finance right here. Click on finance. When you click on finance, it will open like this. Right here, you will see finance manager and finance analyst. It's usually on finance analyst, but don't select this one because this one has limited permission. Select finance manager. Click on finance manager here. You will see this board around it like this. That means finance manager is selected, okay? Then down below, you will see update access settings. Click on update access settings button and it will bring up this set up billing information like this. The tax ID is optional, so scroll down, click on state, fill in all this information, select your state. For example, let's say you're in Lagos, so you can add Lagos here. When you select Lagos, depending on your own state, okay, then they will open city for you. Click on city and select the particular city where you are. For example, Ikeja in Lagos. Then go ahead and enter the street address. It must not be accurate, okay? You can enter any street address. They will not verify anything there. But start with number. For example, number 5. Okay, see what I'm doing now so that you will not make any mistake. Number 5. Then you can go ahead with any address you want. They are not verifying any of this. So see the street address I put here. Then for postal code, you can just go open a new tab and just type Lagos State Postal Code or your state postal code. Just check it on Google, okay? Just click, maybe if you are in Ibadan, write Ibadan postal code and Google will give you this for Lagos State. You can just choose any one that you like, any of the states own, okay? Let me use this particular one for Lagos. So I'll come back here, the previous tab, and I think what I saw there was 10021. I think this is the code. After filling in this, click on this submit button right here. I'll click submit and it's processing. You can see right now, the payment manager has been updated. You can see right here. You scroll down, you see it here. You can see that my account has now been approved. It's showing approved on my ad account here. The next thing is to fund your TikTok Ads Manager account and you run your first TikTok ads. I have created several videos on how to run your TikTok ads to Telegram, to WhatsApp group, to your WhatsApp DM, how to run your TikTok ads to your TikTok DM, how to run your TikTok ads using the instant form, using the sales objective and what have you. The link to all those videos will be at the description of this video. So just check at the video description and you can watch all those videos to learn more about TikTok ads.